Hello everyone, I'm Adish as a mountain expert at the Trekup India, and today we are going to discuss about what does the safety means for Trekup India. So since 1993 we have been operating the Himalayan treks. Every year more than 16,000 trekkers trek with us. So we make sure that the trekkers coming with us, they return back safely and without compromising with respect to safety. They get the best experiences with us. So we have some norms that we have designed which we generally follow for our Himalayan treks to make sure the safety is not compromised. All the trekkers and all the trek leaders that we have with us, they are very competent enough. They have already done their basic and advanced mountaineering courses and the wilderness courses as well. So competency level of our trek leaders is so much that even though if we find there is any rescue operation need to be done, so they remain ready in order to get the rescue done on time. First aid kits, oxygen cylinders, all these things are available with the trek leaders every time. What all safety checkups is being done, we are going to discuss ahead. Trekking with Trekup India Adventures Private Limited is entirely safe because we have a team of trek leaders qualified in wilderness, first aid and complete information about the Himalayan glitches. So during the trek, we carry a full first aid kit that contains all the essential medicines. Before trekking with us, you must ensure that you are medically fit for the trek. For us, your medical fitness is more important than anything else. So right from our establishment, we at the Trekup India Adventures Private Limited have been continuously introducing the new safety practices into the Indian trekking to ensure the safety of the trekkers. The Trekup India introduces the Microspikes and made emergency bottled oxygen mandatory for all the treks. Our trek leaders take you daily pulse oxygen meter readings. Also, at the Trekup India introduces the radio walkie-talkie as a safety communication devices. So how can we ensure that your trek is safe with us? We have noticed that most trekking organizations do not follow these systems, but with time they are following us. Several competing companies are adopting these practices and organizing great safe trek. We ensure complete technical safety in the mountains. Our company has a vast team of more than 100 guides and the trek leaders who serve on the Himalayan treks. One of the best things about our team is that all the members are trained professionals by the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Indian Mountaineering Foundation and the Hanifeld Center the Outdoor Educations. Explore our new safety protocols. For us, your safety is the top priority. At the Trekup India Adventures Private Limited, you will find a team with the local knowledge and fluency in English and Hindi. This helps ensure that you have a fantastic trek. Not only this, but we also pay attention to your health and the safety because this is something we can't ignore. All the team leaders involved in trekking have already undergone several professional courses in the first aid, portable altitude chamber training, CPR, environmental awareness training, and the advanced wilderness emergency medicine. Our company has significant expertise in organizing all sorts of group adventure holidays for family group, school, and the colleges groups and the friend group. We have many travel options that suit different fitness level and traveling styles. Regardless of the group size, we value each and every members of our trekking group. Our commitment to personal attention ensure that your needs and safety are always our top priority. I hope you had gone through our safety check that is being done by the Trekup India to make sure that all the trekkers complete their trek successfully and happily. So this was all about the safety that is being followed by Trekup India so that all the trekkers do their trek happily and successfully. Thank you for watching. This was Adish from Trekup India.